Hello, myself Praveen, Assistant Professor in the EC Department in Vivekananda College of Engineering and Technology, Puttur. Today we are going to discuss program to add two numbers. So already I have written a program. As you know, ORG 8000H is nothing but we are initializing a program. B equating 0F0H is nothing but we are declaring the B register. See, at 50th location here I have to add two numbers. So I have to give values in two different memory locations. So at 50th location I am giving one value. That value is moved to B register. Then at 60th memory location I am giving another value. That value is moved to R0. And again the value D is moved to accumulator. And finally the value which is stored in accumulator and R0 is added, and finally the value is stored in accumulator. Let us see this by executing. See, at 50th location I am giving value. I am taking simpler value so that we can understand it in better way. So at 50th location I am giving the value 2, and at 60th location I am taking another value, same value, that is 2. So at 50th location I have taken the value is 2, and 60th location value I have taken is 2. So as you know, I have to add two numbers. So I have taken 2 and 2. So by final answer I have to get 4. See, at 50th location 2 value, that value it should be moved to B register. So press F7. See, you can see that B value, now 50th value is 02, it is moved to register B. Then again press F7. So 60th value, that is moved to R0. 60th value is nothing but 02. That is moved to register R0. You can see here. Then finally moving B value. B value is what? 02. This value I am moving to the accumulator. So press F7. See here, we can see B value, register B value, it is moved to the accumulator. See now accumulator. Now I am adding accumulator as well as R0 value. See, when I add, I have to get 2 plus 2 is nothing but 4. So that value it should be stored in accumulator. So after add A comma R0, I am getting the value in accumulator as 4. So adding is what? 2 plus 2 is nothing but answer is 4. So that we are getting in the accumulator. In this way we are doing program to add two numbers. Thank you.